Hi guys, it's Lemar. Today I'm gonna be explaining the physics first practice from section 4.3 to 4.5. Okay, so let's get started. Uh, they want output voltage, which means they want, when they say output means they want the secondary of something. Secondary, and they said voltage, so secondary voltage, which is Vs. That means we're trying to find Vs. Okay. So they gave you the input is 12, which is the primary. VP. It's right here, like here. Okay. It's the primary is 100 and the secondary is 650, which means the it's 100 over 650 equals 12 over Vs. You'll get 78. Now here I said it wrong, that's why I scratched it. They want to know if it's a step up ولا step down. Step up يعني it went up. Now you look at the turns, you don't look at the voltage all the time at the turns. I don't know, يعني I keep making the same mistake. Turns out I never learn. المهم. As long as you don't do the mistake in the exam, that's fine. You have to look at the number of turns. They said the number of turns here is 100. This one here it's 650. It went from 100. First thing it was 100. Now it's 650. يعني it became bigger. It's step. Okay. So now question number 3. You have to memorize it. بس يعني in case some people don't know, you just take the exact same one. 3 marks يعني. Okay. Now this one's another one. They want this, you have to memorize this. Now they want the potential difference across the bulb. يعني you have to do NP over NS over VP over VS. You have to put 800 over 50 equals 120 over VS. You'll get 7.5. هلا they said if you use DC instead of AC. This is very important. Why? Because you cannot use DC in a transformer. A transformer only works with AC, not with DC. It will go off because it won't work أصلا. Question number 6. By the way, guys, I'm doing some questions and no, you probably don't know هدول memorization. This one is memorization. You have to know it by heart because it came in the book. I think page 38. يعني I'm not really sure صراحة, but it's page 30 something. يعني between 35 and 40. You have to know this. In the first thing, it's gonna be 11. In towns, it's 11. Light industry, it's 11. Heavy industry, it's 33. In super grid transmission, it's 400. You have to know this by heart. And there's others كمان. يعني I would like بقولكم guys, like do them يعني study it from there, the book. And like I said in the other video that is gonna, I think I just uploaded right now. It should be uploaded like by now. You have to know إنه like the book in this periodic especially is your friend. يعني it won't, nothing else would help you. Okay, so this one you have to memorize it. And then here you also have to memorize this. For this one you have to put, you do like المفروض you do P equals IV, but you want to find here the I because you don't have the I. So it's going to be I equals P over V. It's 2000 watts, 240 volts. 2000 over 240, you'll get 8.3. هلا for this you have not, they didn't say what is the answer. They said most probably. يعني you have to take bigger than it. يعني if you even if you had the answer as 8.3, no, you take the one above it. You don't take the exact same one. And if they said 2000 over, let's say 5. Let's say the answer 500. It means the answer will be 4, yeah? هلا if you had 4.5, 5, 4, and 6 as the as your options, you will not pick the 4.4. No, you will pick the one that's over 4, so it's gonna be 4.5. Okay, this question. I hate it because it's kind of long, but like whatever. Here the live is 240, the neutral is 0 V, the earth is 0 V. I don't really know why, I just got it from AI, because يعني, like I don't know where they got that from. Anyways, by the time the video will be uploaded, which is like today, after I'm done, like if you guys see this video tomorrow or something, which is like a day before the exam, and you ask me in the comments why, I probably will answer you because I would have asked my teacher by then. But they said live wire, earth wire, if I have to do 240 minus 0, you'll get 240. And they said neutral wire and earth wire, يعني 0 minus 0. Okay, يعني this one is pretty straightforward. They want the current, so I equals P over V. They're gonna do 1000 over 240. Why is it 1000? Even though they gave you KW, you have to multiply by 1000 to get it as W. 1000 over 240, you'll get 4.17. It's gonna be 4.2. Now, they want the current through the neutral wire, يعني they want the current leaving it, or whatever. المهم, if here it was 4.2, it means here it's gonna be 4.2. For here, you could either put 4.17, you could put 4.2, you could put 4. They said one decimal place, يعني in the exam you have to put 4.2. Okay, but in the quiz you could put whatever you want, يعني I don't know why, but yeah. And then here it's 0 because Earth only carries current if there's a fault. But we don't have here a fault, it's gonna be 0. Okay, question number 11. It's stepped down because it was 760 in the primary coil. يعني in the primary it means the first. But in the secondary coil, which is the second, it became 100. It stepped down. Okay. Oh my god, another long question. I mean, this one's not as bad. You just have to find the number of turns in the secondary coil. Yani here you have 60, 48 to 40. You just apply the rule and you get 300. And how do you get the input? The input, it means the primary. The output, it means the secondary. So you have the VP of the 48 is the... Yani here you already have it. 48. Yeah, you already have it. It's right from here. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why I put 480. يعني sorry about that. المهم, the I, they gave it to you here. They said in the primary coil. Easy. 4 times 4, show 400. 48. You get 192 W. Free mark. وبعدين they want the one for the output power, which means we want the secondary one. We go to the secondary, it's right here. It's 240 volts. And they gave us here يعني secondary coil, يعني you shouldn't make a mistake with that. 0.72 and 0.72A, which is the I. 0.72 times 240, you'll get 172.8. So يعني أكيد you're gonna round it for them. It's gonna be 173. And the efficiency is what? The power out over the power in. The out is secondary, the in is primary. Times 100 يعني because you want the efficiency in percentage, of course. You already got the output power is 173 and the input power which we got here is 192. You multiply it by 100 and you get 90.1. And to the nearest, you get 90%. Okay. We have two more questions left, finally. Um, most suitable, يعني it doesn't have to be it. Like I said, the ones before. And they already gave it to you, but يعني why not solve it? Okay. You have to multiply by 1,000 to get it in watts. It's 3.64, which is to the يعني if you round it you get 3.6. You have to choose the option above 3.6, not 3.6. It has to be above 3.6, like I said in the other one, which is 4 here in the options. Now, in question number 16, يعني they kind of love إنه we don't take a rest. You guys have to solve for P, of course. They never give you anything given. They have to make you lose time in the exam on questions that shouldn't take time. But المهم, you have to calculate P for the input, which is the primary. They give you the primary is 2.2 and 9. يعني you solve P by equals IV. 2.2 times 9. You get 19.8. This is the primary, which is the N. Now, for the output, the output was the secondary. They said, يلا, let's put it in MA. يعني you have to divide by 1,000. يعني they just like to make our life harder for some reason. They don't. المهم 0.162A. Okay, so and then you multiply it by the volts 110. Okay, وبعدين you get 17.82, which is the secondary, which is the out. P out over Pn. Okay. P out over Pn. This is Pn, P out. Out is 17.82, in is 19.8, and then you multiply it by 100 because we want efficiency in percentage. You will get 90%. That's it for the video. يعني أكيد I'm bored from solving because يعني it's a little easy to me, of course, because I solved it like 100 times so I can get the answer. If you have any questions, you may ask me in the comment section. I'll answer, hopefully. But يعني don't ask me at 10 p.m. tomorrow. Ask me before, when I'm awake, يعني, of course. Thank you for watching, and I hope you understood. That's it.